This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Silverado key fob. First, make sure you have all your key fobs ready, including any new ones. It's also important that your vehicle's battery is in good condition. Having your owner's manual handy can provide specific details for your model, ensuring a smooth and successful programming experience. Let's get started. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the door unlock button located on the driver's side door panel. While holding this button, quickly turn the ignition key from the off position to the on position 2 times, making sure to end with the key in the on position. This sequence prepares your vehicle for programming. Once the door locks cycle, release the door unlock button. This indicates your vehicle is now in programming mode. For each key fob you wish to program, including any existing ones, simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 15 seconds. The door locks will cycle again, confirming that the key fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this step for every fob. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it. Now, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they all function correctly with your vehicle. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps. Also, for a great reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.